time for your morning briefing of junior mining and mineral exploration news. You are tuned in to Mining Stock Daily. Now, reporting from the Clear Creek Digital Studios in Denver, Colorado, here's your host, Trevor Hall.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome into Mining Stock Daily. This is Trevor Hall, and today is Monday, September 20th. Last week, after spiking up to 1812 after Tuesday's CPI report, gold and silver spent the rest of the week in the throes of the price management squad, with most of the damage occurring after the Asian and Indian markets had closed for the day on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Gold closed out the week at $17.51, down about $37 from the previous week's close, while silver was bloodied for $1.45, closing out the week at $22.34. This is silver's lowest price since July of 2020. The Mining Stock Journal said that given the lack of news or events that might have triggered the sell-off of paper gold and silver, and given that interest rates and the dollar didn't move much, or at least not enough to support the narrative that rising rates and a higher dollar hurt the metals, it can only be concluded that the manipulation effort targeted getting the gold price down as much as possible ahead of this week's FOMC meeting. The newsletter believes the Fed will not offer any more clarity on the timing of this threatened taper, and that should be bullish for metals. The COT report shows that the banks continue to reduce their paper short positions in both gold and silver. We'll get to the news out of the miners and explorers here in just a moment, but first a quick mention of today's sponsor.
This Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing is brought to you by Western Copper & Gold. Western Copper & Gold is focused on developing the world-class casino project in Canada's Yukon Territory. The casino project consists of an impressive 11 billion pounds of copper and 21 million ounces of gold in an overall resource. Western Copper & Gold trades on the TSX and the NYSE American with WRN. Be sure to follow the company via their website, www.westerncopperandgold.com.
And here's what you need to know this morning. Bunker Hill Mining shared the results of their updated PEA for the Bunker Hill mine in Idaho. The updated PEA contemplates a $44 million initial capital cost, which includes 20% contingency, to rapidly restart the mine over an 18-month period, generating approximately $25 million in annual average free cash flow over an extended 11-year mine life, while producing nearly 1 billion pounds of zinc equivalent of metal, including over 8 million ounces of silver. The company says an increased use in long-hole open stoping mining drives a 29% reduction in all-in sustaining costs to 47 cents per pound of payable zinc. Concurrent with engineering studies designed to further enhance the project's economics, the company and its advisors are actively engaged with capital providers that have expressed an interest in financing the rapid restart of the mine. Bunker Hill trades on the CSE with BNKR and on the OTCQB with BHLL. Equinox Gold, whom we spoke with just a few short days ago, produced their results for the pre-feasibility study on the expansion of the company's Aurizona gold mine in Brazil. The company says by mining the underground and satellite open pit deposits concurrently with the existing Piaba open pit, the expansion would extend the Aurizona mine life to 11 years, with average annual production of 137,000 ounces of gold per year and a total life of mine production of 1.5 million ounces. Peak production in years 2026 through 2029 averages more than 160,000 ounces of gold per year. Updated mineral reserve and resource estimates for Aurizona, incorporating the new underground and open pit deposits and offsetting 18 months of mining depletion, show a 73% increase over the December 2019 estimate, with 1.7 million ounces of proven and probable mineral reserves, grading 1.6 grams per ton gold, plus 868,000 ounces of measured and indicated mineral resources, exclusive of reserves, grading 1.5 grams per ton gold. The underground mine comes with a $154 million price tag and includes a $20 million contingency. Equinox Gold trades on the TSX and the NYSE with EQX. FPX Nickel says they have completed the drilling program at the Dakar Nickel District in central British Columbia, which was also the most active campaign on the project since 2012, with a focus on resource conversion of the Baptiste deposit, plus a maiden drill campaign on the Van target, located 6 kilometers north of Baptiste. At the Van target, a total of 2,689 meters of drilling in 9 widely spaced diamond drill holes have been completed. The size of the Van target, defined by outcrop sampling, is comparable to the Baptiste deposit, which measures 3.2 kilometers along strike with widths of up to over just 1,000 meters. At Baptiste, a 10-hole, 2,710 mere infill diamond drilling campaign has been completed. Assays from the Van and Baptiste programs are pending, and first results are expected to be reported by the company in October. FPX Nickel trades on the TSX Venture with FPX. And Red Pine Exploration reported new holes from the Wawa Gold Project today, which also included the discovery of gold mineralization in the Jubilee Shear Zone, more than 400 meters down dip of the current boundary of the Surluga deposit inferred resource. That result was 4.78 meters of 25.73 grams per ton gold, which also included 0.92 meters of 45.8 grams per ton. The company also noted that there are indications the higher grade gold mineralization extends down dip of the Surluga deposit inferred resource in the northern extension of the Surluga deposit. Red Pine Exploration trades on the TSX Venture with RPX. Heliostar Metals provided results from 6 reverse circulation holes completed at the Aquila vein target, part of the large-scale Unga district in Alaska. Results included 1.77 grams per ton gold over 18.28 meters and a half gram per ton gold over 41.15 meters. These results position Aquila as a third center of mineralization at the Unga project. The company says there is geological evidence this shallow mineralization is only the top of the system. Heliostar Metals trades on the TSX Venture with HSTR and on the OTCQX with HSTXF. That's a wrap here on the morning briefing. We have lots of interviews lined up for you, not only today, but throughout the week. Busy week today on the pod. So stay tuned with all that. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button. If you wouldn't mind, do leave a review of the show if you are so kind. The Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing is produced by Clear Creek Digital and Investment Research Dynamics Mining Stock Journal. It is distributed throughout the world through your podcast network of choice and by our friends over at the Junior Mining Network. I'm Trevor Hall. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Be well. The information presented should not be considered investment advice. Mining Stock Daily and its affiliates are not responsible for any loss arising from any investment decision in connection with the material presented herein. Please do your own research or speak with a licensed financial representative before making any investment decisions.